In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on Instagram. So the first thing we're going to do is launch up the Instagram application, and then you need to click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Once you're on your profile page, click on the navigation bar in the top right hand side. This will take you to the settings and activity page, and then we just need to click on Account Center at the very top. Then scroll down to Account Settings and select Personal Details, and right at the top here you'll see Contact Info. Click on that. And this is all the contact information that is currently linked to our Instagram account. So in order to change the email address, you first need to add a new email address. So to do that, click on Add New Contact at the bottom, select Add Email Address, type in your new email address, and then select the profile that you want to apply this to. As you can see, adding this email address will replace the already existing email address. Then click on Next. So once you've successfully added a new email address, you'll then be able to go into your old email and then just simply click on Delete Email Address. So now that I've deleted my old email address, our new email is already set up and ready to go. So that's it, guys. That's how you add a new email address on Instagram. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.